In this video, I'm gonna give you a glimpse of our mid-year awarding event in our realty. Also, I'll be sharing one of the probably best local restaurant that I discovered in Iloilo. Most of all, stay tuned until the end for I will share to you the brand new 8 million house and lot currently available in Mandurriao, Iloilo. I did not intend to come here. I just found this while I'm on my way searching for just a coffee shop actually where I can kill time while I wait for my client. I never expect to stumble upon this beautiful place and with a very delicious food. This was early in the morning and I just had breakfast. I already had my coffee at home and so I just tried their bread here, and this is very delicious, very soft. It is definitely a must try here. And as you can see right here, they have a lot to choose from. So they even have this fermented shrimp paste, chili garlic, achara, many more. And so since I just discovered this place, I was so amazed in here because look at the interior. And they already have a fine dining set up in every table. I have seen families coming all over here and even tourists. So I can say that this place is best for tourists, for family reunions or gatherings. They even have an events place here. I will show you in a while their private room here. And look at this variety of pastries. So they got more tables in here, and this is the room that I am talking about. So here is their private room where you can rent out for your events, and here is their toilet or bathroom. This is so cute. Wow, signature activity. This restaurant, this is just so nice, and I can say best for tourists and for family or friend gatherings. So this is in Betty's, Ilonggo Table and Bake House. I have seen some of their branches in the malls, but this one is probably their biggest branch so far. And this is located in Aurora subdivision. And this is near the General Luna main road. And as you can see right here, this is across this condominium tower that is near San Agustin University. And yes, this road here is going to San Agustin. So the condo across is Burnwood Tower. So we have it here. And you have Betty's across it. Burnwood Tower is also linked to this condominium in Central Philippine University, the Burnwood Central. So this is the current progress there. And so right now, I am transmigrating you to our event. And this is our mid-year awarding. And it is held here in Iloilo Golf Driving Club in Mandurriao. And so, if you love to practice golf, if it is your first time, or you just want to hang out and have some golf time, I think this place is for you. Iloilo has several types of golf course already. So, we have this, wherein you can practice, and even held events like us. So, this is our ramp session, because we have a best in attire category. Here in Iloilo, we also have the oldest existing golf course in Southeast Asia, and that can be found in Santa Barbara. Also, we already have here a golf simulation or golf sims that is located also here in Mandurriao. Going back to our event, I'm very thankful that we are recognized of our efforts. And yeah, I got several awards. And here I am with my husband. And here's the whole golf course. I don't know if you have noticed, but most of us in our realty are very young. Yes, we are young professionals practicing real estate, and most of us are already licensed. And some are just under probationary or under training. And so now we're here not only for the award but also to play. Yes! It is my first time. Also, this is my husband's first time to play golf. And we are so excited for this one.
Wala! Wala! This thing go there!
I actually really want to get rid of the background music, but I don't know. Let's see how will this copyright goes. You know what? Playing golf teaches not only the stance, but most especially focus and power. Because you need power in order to have a good full swing. O diba, may pa-transition pa kami. Manual yun. I'm really grateful to Kuya who really taught us patiently and gave us full instruction on how to play this thing. Okay, that was my first official bat. I don't know how you call it. I just call it bat. All I can say is once you start batting, all you want to do is just keep on batting and keep those balls going. In short, madugayan kagid kabulos ko akong nauna sa imo. This is my first time seeing people getting the ball from the golf course, and I was amazed of their scoopers. So here is the rate here and the swinging hours. So far, they have a very fair rate here. And so right after the event, we decided to film here in WV Towers because our outfit matches WV's mini golf course. So let me give you a view of the actual golf course that they have here. So this part here is the pet park. WV is a pet-friendly condo. And this is also in Mandurriao. So here is the mini golf course here, and you can play here too. So right now, I'm giving you our BTS, and this is the after.
What if this is your home?
We are offering ready for occupancy units, and our location is right in the heart of Mandurriao, Iloilo. Experience urban living with a peaceful and tranquil vibe. We are offering spacious and loft units, semi-finished, and we even have fully furnished available units. Why not live where peace and convenience both meet? We are offering a move-in promo rate now. Contact us for more details. Imagine if this is your home near the diversion road. This place is very convenient if you have a student in Central Philippine University because this is walking distance to the CPU Gate 8. And here right now we are on the second floor, and let me give you a tour in here. So come with me. So here on the second floor, we have here a shared toilet and bath. Check it out here. So everything that you see here is the actual deliverable. We have here the shower, a head shower and a hand shower, a toilet seat. We also have here a sink. And from here, let me give you a tour to the first bedroom. So here's the first bedroom. So in here, it's quite spacious here, and you have your own windows in this area. So this is the view for this bedroom. So now we're here on the second bedroom. Let's check this. So here on the second bedroom, as you can see, there's a wide windows in here that you can see the balcony out there. And this one is more spacious than the first bedroom that we went into. So everything that you can see here is the actual deliverable. It's already painted, and the floors, it's already vinyl. This is in a wood design. So everything is already available. We already have here the bulbs and the electric wirings. So let's get to the master's bedroom. So now we're here on the master's bedroom, and right away there's a toilet and bath in here. Again, everything that you can see there is the actual deliverable. And in here, as you can see, we have two windows for the master's bedroom. One here on this side and one this very wide window on the front. And as you can see, we also have plugs that are ready for your air condition. So what's nice with this bedroom is that it has an access to the balcony. So let's go here. So this is your balcony, and you can have your table and chairs in here. It's spacious in here. And this is your view for this house. Now let me bring you back inside and have a second run through of the whole second floor. By the time that we went here, the whole place is being repainted, and so we will come back next time for the first floor and the full facade. As for now, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlogs.